Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primary B. Today's topic are these. As you know student, these is a plural form of this. Today we will read the answer questions. So first question is, are these boys? क्या ये लड़के हैं? Look at the picture. No, they are not. नहीं वो नहीं हैं. They are girls. वो लड़कियां हैं. Second question is, are these birds? क्या ये परिंदे हैं? Look at the picture. No, they are not. नहीं वो नहीं हैं. They are kites. वो पतंगे हैं. Last question is, are these flowers? Look at the picture. क्या ये फूल हैं? Yes, they are. हाँ वो हैं. They are flowers. वो फूल हैं. Okay students, it's our today lesson. Hope so you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.